If you're a chess fan, there's an exhibition at LSU that you won't want to miss.
But our senior reporter Marie Handy says the man behind the exhibit is as interesting as the display itself.
During working hours, Dr. Dave Miller is a busy and much-loved pediatrician. During leisure hours, he is an avid and knowledgeable collector of chess sets, a fascination that started as a child.
And I was fascinated at first by the pieces because I'd pick them up and play with them like they were little soldiers.
It wasn't long afterwards he learned to play the game well enough to win competitions.
As you get into chess playing, you begin to appreciate the beauty of the pieces. And you realize that there's more to the pieces than just being tools of the trade.
An unexpected discovery started his remarkable chess set collection.
While I was up at Cape Cod about 30 years ago, visiting some dear friends, I ran into a chess set that is the dream of every chess player to own, an original Thornton chess set. And after I found that set, I had the key to a collection, because most people collect sets and try and find a Thornton. But I had a Thornton already, and that gave me the impetus to start collecting more.
He has since collected 40 sets. 7 of the sets come from India, where the game originated in the 6th century. 8 other countries are also represented. Some sets are made of unusual materials, like this one made of hard wax. The oldest set on display was made in 1820 in Spain. The pieces are intricately carved bone. The faces are hand-painted and porcelainized. Dr. Miller's wife gave him this exquisite hand-carved ivory chess set from China.
Depending on your point of view, chess is a fascinating game or a waste of time.
But I can guarantee that seeing this collection is no waste of time.
This is Marie Handy for Eyewitness News at 5.
And Marie says 25 of Dr. Miller's chess sets are on display at the Hill Memorial Library until the end of March. They were beautiful.
Really were.